Hello friends, today we are going to learn chapter number 1. What's your dream? A young boy liked spending time sitting on a tree. He had a dream but didn't realize that until one day someone happened to ask him about it. Let us read this story to find out what his dream was. An old man, a beggar bent double with a flowing white beard and piercing grey eyes, stopped on the road on the other side of the garden wall and looked up at me, where I perched on the branch of a lychee tree. "What's your dream?" he asked. I was a startling question coming from that raggedy old man on the street, even more startling that it should have been made in English speaking. Beggars were a rarity in those days. "What's your dream?" he replied. "I don't remember," I said. "I don't think I had a dream last night." "That's not what I mean. You know, it isn't what I mean. You a dreamer. It's not the lychee season, but you sit in the tree all afternoon dreaming." "I just like sitting here," I said. I refused to admit that I was a dreamer. "Other boys don't dream," Dad had captured. "A dream, my boy, is what you want most in life. Is not there something that you want more than anything else?" "Yes," I said promptly, "a room of my own." "Ah, a room of your own, a tree of your own. It's the same thing. Not many people can have their own rooms, you know. Not in a land as crowded as ours. Just a small room." "And what kind of room do you live in at present?" "It's a big room, but I have shared it with my brothers and sisters, and even my aunt when she visits." "I see. What you really want this freedom. Your own tree, your own room, your own small place all. That's everything. When you have all that, you have found your dream. Tell me how to find it. There's not a magic formula, my friends. If I were a good man, would I be wasting my time here with you? You must work for your dream and move towards it all the time, and discard all these things that come in the way of finding it. And then, if you don't expect too much too quickly, you will find your freedom, a room of your own. The difficult time comes afterwards. Yes, because it is so easy to lose it all, to let someone take it away from you, or you become greedy or careless and start taking everything for granted, and poof, suddenly the dream has gone. Waste. How do you know all this? I ask. Because I had my dream and lost it. Did you lose everything? Yes, just look at me, on my friend. Do I look like a king or a good man? I had everything I want, but then I want more and more. You get your room, and then you want a building, and when you have your building, you want your own territory, and when you have your own territory, you want your own kingdom, and all the time it is getting harder to keep everything, and when you lose it in the end, all kingdoms are loose. You don't even have your room anymore. Did you have a kingdom? Something like that. Follow your own dream, boy, but don't take other people's dream. Don't stand in any way. Don't take from any other man his room of his faith or his song. and he turned and shuffled away, intoning the following verse which I have never heard elsewhere, so it must have been his own. Life song, my friend, be wise and strong, but do not take from any man his song. I remained on the lychee tree, pondering his wisdom and wondering how a man so wise could be so poor. Perhaps he became wise afterwards anyway. He was free and I was free, and I went back to the house and demanded and got a room of my own. Freedom was beginning to realize is something you have to insist upon risking bone. Thank you guys.